Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how loud is the speaker on this device. I will do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll just activate the maximum mode. As can you see, this mode is activated now, and this mode is mean so when the decibel meter will register the higher volume, then here on the display the value will change. So let's start.
Sip H, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead like I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip H, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead like I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip H, that Sip H, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead like I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip H, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead like I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip H, that
So as can you see, our Oppo Reno 10X Zoom reached the 112.4 decibels. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.